What's up, y'all? Kaizen here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my trades today. Now, I am extremely tired, so this benefited me a lot. And I thought about going live, but I was literally in the market for 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, and I was done for the day. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So first, before I get into the trade that I took this morning, I actually had got in for a buy at this area yesterday at like 5, 6 p.m. 7, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Because I thought the market would push up and we had came and bounced off this hourly area. But I ended up not feeling as confident because obviously you had these candles. It was kind of choppy for a while before it actually started pushing up. So I only got like $44 or whatever. And I was like, okay, I'm going to just leave it alone. But it was funny how it kept going up. So anyways, why did I take the trade I took today? And as you see, we're up 656 on the day. And they could have been more if I stayed in longer, but I'm not getting greedy. So first off, on the 4-hour, daily, and 1 hour, we are extremely bullish. Now on the daily, yesterday or Friday, if you want to, it got to be yesterday, obviously. I think this might be Friday. I'll consider it Friday because Sunday we didn't really sell off. And it opens at 6 p.m. anyway. But anyways, we was extremely bearish. Even on the weekly, for most of the week, we were bearish. But soon as market opened up today, we were extremely bullish. Like as soon as I seen this, we was already bullish with these green candles. And as I've said before, I want to trade in the direction of where price is going, right? So I knew I was looking for buys for the most part. So as I came here, I was like, okay, now where's my entry or whatever? So on the 15-minute, I marked up this area right here. I drew a line here simply because it came up here. There was a decent sell-off. Sorry, I'm exhausted, guys. Like, I'm going back to sleep right after this video. There was a decent sell-off, and then when it came back up, there was a decent sell-off again on the 15-minute. So I was like, okay, if we break through here and come back, aka this is the 815 candle. If we come back here, we're probably going to have a push up because we're already bullish on 3 other time frames, right? And as soon as market opened up, it pushed up immediately. It broke this high of the candle, right? Not really high of the candle because this is the real high, but I wanted to see it break structure and get past this white candle, this sell candle, right? And as it broke it, I got in for a scalp and ended up being up 656, right? And I could have stayed in longer, but as I've said before, I'm learning that I'm not gonna be greedy and keep getting in and out, in and out, in and out to increase this number to 2,000. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is get the bare minimum because I care about payouts first. And if it exceeds $200 per day, cool. If it doesn't, cool. But the bare minimum needs to be 200. The daily goal is 200 because I prefer to get payouts versus trying to get 1,000 and I'm up 600 and then all of a sudden, see, as you see, it's still trying to push up. But I'm up 600. Then since I'm over trading, like I started doing when I started looking at other influencers online, I'll be up 600 or 1,000 and then overtrade because I'm trying to get 2,000 and then lose. So I'm going back to the old way I trade where, okay, I meet the minimum of 200, I'm closing the account, moving on by my day. The less I care about trading, the more successful I am in trading, right? So it was pretty simple. Like I was literally in this trade for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I'm done on the day, right? And 600, you make 600 a day, 5 days, that's 3,000 a week, right? Another thing is I rather, instead of trying to get those huge numbers and staying in trades long, like most people, I don't like staying in trades long. I like getting my money, getting out, and going about my business. I rather stack, or not stack, I rather expand horizontally by having more accounts and only hitting 200, 400, 600, or 1,000 versus trying to hit 1,000 in one account every time. That's just my opinion because you have more leverage with more accounts, and that's what I plan to do like I used to. Performance stats, so you guys see 73% win percent, trade win percent. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Profit factor 3.14. And yeah, dang, it says I took 15 trades. Oh, okay, yeah. So this was from yesterday, like I said before. 150. I was trying to get in. I was scalping. Sorry. This is it. So it started off here, down 44, 135, 40, 185, 70. And then obviously, as time went on or whatever, from today. But anyways, that's it. Just documenting my journey. Blah 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 blah. Nothing too crazy. Try to keep trading. I'm trying to keep trading as simple as possible while ignoring all the other bullshit. So, like I said, I've been saying in other videos, what helps me is getting off of social media, trading with the way you trade because everybody has their own unique style of trading, and adjusting it to how you trade and your intuition. But that's it for the video. I'm literally about to go back to sleep for like another hour, and then go work out, and then try to eat better because I've been eating like trash and I'm breaking out, obviously. Uh, and I'm trying to just be better overall. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.